Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and fires are breaking out all over the place in Northern California. There are two new fires in Vallejo, one in Vallejo, and one at the toll plaza at the Carquinez Bridge here in Martinez. Furthermore, a fire broke out near Mount Diablo. Clayton has been evacuated. Parts of Santa Rosa have been evacuated. Fire destroyed the Rock Winery in Healdsburg. There are two fires in Oakley, two towns above Kathy. One is they've stopped one. They had to evacuate parts of Oakley. They've had to evacuate all of Clayton. But about 6:30, the smoke got so bad, I had the door closed and I started throwing up because I'm very sensitive to smoke. I haven't looked outside. I'm afraid to. And the Carquinez Bridge, if you go out my door, go two blocks, make a left, make a right, make another left, and go two more blocks and go up the road. You go past the refinery and past the marshlands, and if you park the car, you can go up this path that will literally take you up the hill, and that's where the fire is, literally right above the toll plaza. The other one is on Residential Street in Vallejo. Now, they're putting them out, but KGO7 is live with this. They've been showing the fires, and it's, I wish we had a car. I could go film this, except I probably choked from the smoke. I got to get a mask after all this mess is over. Power has been on in my apartment all night, in Kathy's and Patty's, but it's really bad when there's, and they showed a video of the smoke all over the Bay Area. It's going all the way down to San Jose, all the way down to Fremont. Ukiah has smoke in the air from the Kincaid Fire, and that fire is now 32,000 acres, 79 structures destroyed, 180,000 people evacuated at 6:30. Kaiser and Santa Rosa evacuated. An area in Santa Rosa that burned down in the last fire has been evacuated now. Those people who rebuilt may lose their homes again, and the fire is approaching Windsor. So that's what's going on, but literally fire, 2 miles from me is burning. Interstate 80 has been closed in both directions. It's literally burning above the toll plaza. And I've walked up there, and it's just grass. There's nothing above the toll plaza but grass. I really still think some of these fires are being set, because there were no fires in this area this morning or during the night at all. And suddenly fires are breaking out all over the place. So that's what's going on in Martinez and Vallejo and elsewhere. And there was even a grass fire in Marin. And in San Francisco, winds are very high, knocking things down, shaking buildings. And in the mountains above the Kincaid Fire, winds are at 100 miles an hour, gusting to 90, and the wind device on Mount Diablo last night, where the fire is near Marsh Creek, hit 100 miles an hour and broke the wind device. So that's how strong the winds are. There are wind gusts all over the place. They're 70 and 80, 90 miles an hour, and winds around the Bay Area may reach as high as 50 miles an hour. Right now in Fairfield, they're getting wind gusts of 50 miles an hour. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay safe, people. And if you're in the evacuation area, get out. Oh, also, the Petaluma evacuation centers are full. The Marin County Fairgrounds Center is open. They are taking large and small animals. Petaluma is still taking horses. The Alameda County Fairgrounds is available, and so is the Napa County Fairgrounds. So that's all I know about evacuation centers at the moment. But I saw a live video where they had horses in Petaluma, and people were bringing in their horses to try to save them from the fire. So that's how bad it is. All right, I'll catch you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.